We'll guide you through how to make a multiple destination routes in Google Maps. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. It's super useful to be able to go and create a route with multiple destinations or stop-off points. So to go and do this, you need to go to the bottom right of Google Maps and you need to go and click on the navigation button, like so. And what you need to do is first off, choose your starting point. By default, it'll be set to your location, but you can go and set that yourself. In this case, I'll choose Manchester. Then what you need to do is enter in your final destination, or it can just be one of the destinations, doesn't matter. In this case, I'll go and choose my final destination, which I'll go and type in, like so, to be Scotland. As you can see, we can now go and see the route, but of course, you want to add multiple locations or destinations. So now we can go to the top right of Google Maps and click on the three dots. And then what you can do is go and click on Add Stop. Now you can click on Add Stop and you can choose another one of your destinations or locations. For example, I'll go and type in Newcastle and I'll add that, I'll click on it. Now it's going to go and show us the route. However, you may want to go and change at what point you want to go to Newcastle. For example, I want to go there before I end up in Scotland. So you can click on the three lines over to the right to click, hold and drag to go and reorder it. Then you can press done. And as you can see, we can now go and see the route. And of course, you can click on the three dots in the top right, click on edit stops, and you could go and add another. I've now gone and added Blackpool. And once again, you can choose at what point you want to have that in your journey. So for example, I want it to be the second place that I go. I'll press done and it'll then go and reroute it. So you can go and edit that.